Alrighty, so I got the whole back wired up. The back tail light for the wheel right there. Got the cables wired up here. Got a light wired up there. Excuse me. What the fuck happened here? WTF. Okay, that's not a bomb drop anymore. How can that thing hold? What's going on here? WTF. So I got all my cables wired up in there. I tear the whole front apart. That's all these parts right here. That builds the whole front right there. Had already wired up, but if you guys watch my other videos, it wasn't coming out like this. It was coming out with the sticks over the phone. So I decided to go ahead and make it like this. Also like the bottom and also like the side. So I went ahead and stripped all the things on the side. It's gonna snap. Oh shit. So I went ahead and how can you say this? Cut everything from the side. I have all my cables wired up for my LEDs, the bomb drop. One LED there, two cables for one LED, two cables for one LED, and two cables for one LED, and holy shit, this is flimsy. That's how flimsy it is compared to a lead pencil. Due to the fact that it's flimsy, it's just because it's holding on by that bead of glue. Uh-oh, Jonathan, what did I do? Yep, I didn't think it was gonna come out looking like this, but I had to make a video of it because I knew you guys were gonna flip out and say, why would he do that? So, so I'm gonna take that little piece of tape off, and now I'm gonna take this off. This is gonna be a pain in the butt because it goes through this here, so I'll get back to you. So I went ahead and broke that all apart, and that's how strong the landing gear was gonna be. This is all brick wall right here, look at this. It's all strong on it. It's all rubber right there. All rubber. Dry hot glue. About like 3 sticks of hot glue right there. Holy cow, this is gonna be hard, so. That was all of that. Look at this thing. Full of hot glue. Look at this thing. I'm telling you, that looks just like a regular stick of hot glue. Along with the hinge, just somewhere right here, which looked nice when it was put together. So no hinge, no bomb drop, frame broken. I think this is how it will look if it crashes. Bosh. And these two things will probably snap, and these cables going to the back will probably hold the front little stupid end together and have a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim all this down, re-glue this, trim all the sides down, make it look nice again, and get back to you.